Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can create a group chat on X, formerly Twitter. So for this, first of all open your X application and then tap on message icon which is available in the right side. And friends, here simply tap on plus message box option, and here you will get to see a option of create a group. So simply tap on create a group option, and friends, here select that person which you want to add in your group. And guys, you can also search their username by tapping on search icon. So simply select that friends, and then friends tap on create option. So simply tap on create option. So friends, you can see our group chat is created. So guys, simply you can chat with your friends in Twitter. So simply friends, you can see our group is created, and you can also create group chat, and you can do group chat with your friends and families. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.